with those who Waterloo, might as well bow. If I'm what to do, whoever you are, shit on level 2. You wanna get, just wanna style.
Alright guys, so today we have the highly anticipated, pushed back, delayed Yeezy 700 V3 Bright Blues dropping. This is actually the colorway from my alma mater, the Gators, so orange and blue. I think it looks better than the Suns that dropped earlier this year, and the price is doing decently well. The 700 V1s, the price change of $240 definitely helps with the profit margin. So we're gonna try to go full throttle on this and also stress test our release in preparation for our drop next Monday, which is the Yeezy slides. And let's see how we do. Oh, I got past flash. I got a decline. Okay, I got one pass flash, one decline so far. I got carded, so probably another decline. Yep, another decline. Okay, it's okay. Oh, I got one checkout on Dashi. Let's go. We got one checkout on Dashi and 3 declines on Wrath. Oh my god, 4 declines on Wrath. Wow, this is 5 declines on Wrath. Oof. Let's go, another one on Dashi. 2 on Dashi. Another decline. Wow. Yeah, Wrath is just completely declining me. So Dashi's not having problems with the cards, but Wrath is having problems with the cards. Huh. That's interesting. Wow, I got 8 declines on Wrath right now. This is unbelievable. Oh, let's go. Ganesh got 1. Dashi got another 1. Okay, so we got 4. Ivy's not feeling good because she's not getting anything right now. So we'll have to cheer her up by copying more so she can feel better about herself. Yo, Dashi is just on fire today. I got 5 now on Dashi. Wow. So Wrath is passing splash for me fine. I'm just getting a ton of declines from Wrath. I got 10 declines. Look at this, 10 declines. I got another decline, watch. Wrath is refusing to let me check out today. Come on. What's going on? Oh, Dashi got another one. Let's go. Wrath, another decline. Wow, actual card is declined too. Dude, what the hell? Why? Oh, we got a checkout on Wrath! Finally! Yeah! Oh my god! What the hell happened? We finally got a checkout from Wrath. Oh my god. Look at this. 1, 2, 12. That's 14 declines. 1 checkout. Ah! Wow, Dashi got another one. Jesus. I don't know how Dashi got me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. That's pretty ridiculous. 15 declines. I usually don't get as many declines on yeezysupply either. Oh, so Jason said working on identifying decline issue at the moment, but I'll clarify that for Wrath, the decline rate is bot related. It's awfully high. I'm trying to debug that right now. You know what I'm saying? Jason, you didn't let my wife card or cop, so she's mad at you right now. Just letting you know. Alright guys, so I went ahead and stopped all my yeezysupply tasks. So Wrath was able to give me 2 checkouts. I got 17 declines on Wrath. And I think Jason made a comment saying that for Wrath, it might be something that's bot related. So he's looking into that. I mean, which is awesome. He's admitting like certain things might be his, the bot's problem, and he's trying to do his best to fix it before the slides drop. We were able to get some checkouts on Dashi. Definitely the first time we cooked with Dashi, and then got 1 checkout from Ganesh. So at the end, I think our total is at 12 pairs, and then I stopped on my. All right, guys. So today we have the Yeezy slides drop. We did not wake up in time for the foot size drops. I went to a sneaker event yesterday, so got a little too exhausted. We're rest up now. We're gonna go for the Yeezy supply drop. Seems like Kylan took a ton of stock from the foot side drop, which is a great sign, and I think it's good for me as well, just to rest, number one. Number two, kind of see which spot works well, and then get ready for the Jordan 4 drop that's coming up later on this week. So we're gonna go for the Yeezy supply drop. Hopefully we'll do well, and maybe go for some Shopify drops later as well. So let's see how we do. Happening yet? Oh yeah, no. Let me just pass. That's okay. You gotta go. Let it run. So you got one card already. You got one? Nice. Nice. Thank you, Wrath. Let's go. You got two? Yeah. Let's go. We got one. That's two on Wrath. Let's go. Wow, Jason actually figured out the 3DS. Holy crap. I can't believe he did that. Oh, this is privacy, so he probably doesn't need to. Yep, let's go, one more. Yes. Wow. Yeah, just keep an eye out for that, because that's gonna constantly coming if we can get more checkouts.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 and the 5 sticky, can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 and the 5 sticky, can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hit applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the...
Alright guys, so do a quick recap. I think the only thing that's left in stock is the resin colorway now, which is okay. I don't think I'm gonna go for too many of those anymore. So let's do a recap. Definitely shout out to Jason from Wrath, the guy that just keeps on giving, man. He went ahead and did this 3DS update, and it is absolutely amazing. I ended up with 12 checkouts on my Wrath. My wife got 9 checkouts on her Wrath, so that totals up to 21 checkouts. And then we also got 16 checkouts on Dashi. So that ends our day with 37 checkouts. And we went ahead and stopped it. I think Wrath crashed for me twice on my computer for some reason. Wasn't sure what the reason was, but can't complain, you know? The 3DS, you guys saw the process where we have to verify it via phone text. So it's a additional hassle, but at the same time, I'm glad it works. So we were able to get some checkouts. They definitely released a ton of these slides, and in the middle of the drop, my wife started getting panicky, saying like, oh my god, what if these things break, because they release so many of them, and they are rumored to be restocking every 2 months from this point on. So she's like, oh shoot, what if we grab 36 pairs, 37 pairs of bricks? I was like, well, we can make some money out of it at least, right? So we'll see. So overall, I would say it's a very, very successful drop for us. Alright guys, so today we have the very highly anticipated Jordan 4 University Blue drop. So we're gonna go for that, and on Shopify, Finish Line, Nike for sites. This is going to be absolutely bananas. Let's hope we can do well, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, here we go. Let's get ready. This is going to be intense. It's just in permaqueue right now, so it's all stuck. Foot size, we're gonna expect some terrible problems in the first 20 minutes or so. So we're gonna focus on Nike and Shopify for now. What's today's date? Wednesday? So what we got? Here we go. Pick up. Oh man, I'm so slow. Submitting order processing. Come on. Let's get one. Yeah, we got one. Okay, that's okay. We got one, kid. Oh, I'm still too slow. Damn it. God, why am I so slow at capture now? That's okay. We got one. Okay, let's go on manual now. I haven't used U-Sneaker in a while now, but we got one U-Sneaker. Let's go. We got him on U-Sneaker. Let's go. We got a 6.5 so far. Not bad. Oh, I got another one here. That's 3. Let's go. Prism got us one. Yes. We eating now? No, I'm just kidding. We just got one on Prism so far. Oh, what bot? Let's go. Got one. Oh, let's go. Got another one. On Prism. Whoop-ball got another one too. Let's go. Oh, Whoop-ball got another one. Kylan, let's go. We got one, Kylan.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tat it up.
So we got one more drop on the way. This one is the Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere. I definitely butchered that name because I cannot pronounce it. It's French. But this one, they were supposed to drop last week, but I know why it got pushed back was because of the George Floyd murder case decision, I think. And then they pushed back the release date because it was coinciding with that verdict. So now we're getting the drop and we're gonna try to go for it. Most likely it's going to be similar to the Jordan 4 Union release where everything is going to be manual. So let's see if these hands can cop another Jordan hype collaboration today. Not a bot. Bicycle. Submit. In queue. There we go. Look. Come on. I passed queue. Hold on. Come on. Let's get a W. Come on. Oh, processing. No. Come on. Give me the confirmation, baby. Give me the. Yes! I got it! Yes! 700块钱。
真的假的？
Yeah. Let's go! Yeah! Woo! Oh, that felt good. Oh my God. That felt so good. Hi guys, so I think that should wrap up this week's episode. It's been a little longer than before just because there wasn't any drops early on during last week, and it wasn't all the way till starting last weekend when we had the Yeezy 700 bright blue drop. Then we had the Yeezy slide drop. We also had the Jordan 4 drop. I didn't run for the dunk drop yesterday just because I was actually at the doctor's office. So, and then we also had the A Ma Maniere drop today. So overall, I gotta say this is a good week for us. We did not disappoint. I think everything went pretty well for us. So I think we finally hit a 100 clip week. I think in terms of checkouts, obviously, we got a bunch of checkouts from the slides. We got a bunch of checkouts, over 60 checkouts on the Jordan 4s. And then, so that, on top of that, we got around like 12 checkouts on the bright blue. So that adds to about 100 clip. Either way, the way I look at it, it's a big W. We did not obviously get 100 pairs of shoes. I think we end up with like around like 70 pairs of shoes. I think 10 pairs from the bright blues, 34 pairs from the Yeezy slides, and about 30 pairs from the Jordan 4s. And then to cap the week off, we were able to cop manually an A Ma Maniere Jordan 3 collaboration. So I think I messed up there. I added size 11, but it was women's sizing, so it's not going to be a personal. I'm going to sell that. And I think the resale is definitely doing really well for us right now. So I think that's a really good W. So to do a little summary on Jordan 4s, I think the main bots that worked for me were Woodbot, Prism, and Kylan. I did not run Wrath as extensively as I should because Wrath actually did really well today. So overall, the checkouts that happened for me were using proxies for Notified Guillotine ISPs, Essentials ISPs, Proxy Heavens ISPs. These are all ISPs that are working right now. And yeah, so one of the key things I think for us to remember is that foot side drops, there's always going to be situations that happen that's completely out of our control that we really don't know what to expect. So the best way is to diversify your setups in terms of proxies, in terms of your bots, in terms of servers, and see how well it will work for you. Because we've been cooking with Ganesh, and Ganesh actually didn't do too well for us this past few drops, the yeezysupply nor the foot side drops. So these are things that you just have to handle, trying to make sure you balance it out, determine what the best strategy is for you. For me, I think I did okay. So but yeah, overall I think it was a very good week. We still got more drops towards the end of April. We got the Sakai Wafer Waffles dropping. We got the Travis Scott 6 dropping. So if you guys want to see how we do during those drops, definitely stay tuned for the next episode. No, I think I can't pull that off. I'm not Nova. I don't think I can pull that off with a cliffhanger. So, but if you guys definitely want to see how we do, stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you all so much for your support. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. Like, I cannot believe this. A year ago, around this time, I started my YouTube channel. I know 3,000 doesn't seem like a whole lot to a lot of people, but for me, imagining 3,000 people actually like tune into my channel now whenever I release a video, that's amazing. So thank you all so much, genuinely from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate everyone's support, and a lot of you guys have been with me from day one. So hopefully you guys see that I'm still learning, I'm still growing in terms of this botting business. So hopefully you guys can learn things from me, and I've been learning things from you guys as well. And that's all we have for you guys. If you guys do like the video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for us, all right? Thank you all so much, and I will see you in the next episode. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.